Good morning, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a grand solar minimum update Wednesday, March 18th, 1 p.m. Mountain Time 2020. And the models, they're not funny. Heavy snow in the Four Corners region, continuing snow in the Sierras through the end of March. But the big story, Winter Storm Pearl. You're looking at the Euro model, blizzard warnings for Cheyenne and regions in southeastern Wyoming. Winter storm #Pearl will deliver blizzard-like conditions through the plains and snow into the Midwest. Severe storms are on tap for Texas, Oklahoma, and Kentucky. Primary threats include hail and gusty winds. Keep calm. It's boom time. Winter storm dumps feet of snow across the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Look at the depths. Some areas saw over 5 feet. We nailed that prediction. AccuWeather senior meteorologist Alex Nosnowski said part of the central and southern Sierras were buried under 3 to 5 feet of snow since it started falling on Sunday, which was the beginning of the fun day. The snow depth in Blue Canyon, California went from 0 to 62 inches in just 3 days, meaning that more than 5 feet of snow fell there. There have been periodic blizzard conditions, but most places were below that criteria. Take a look. And that is going to really help the snowpack, bringing it up probably above 50% just with this one system. And snow is going to continue. Let's not talk about that. Let's talk about the first day of spring. A winter storm will dump snow across the U.S. on the first day of spring. Ding, ding. Blizzard warnings issued for Wyoming and Nebraska as winter storm takes aim on the Rockies and the plains. Let's see what, at a glance, a winter storm will bring snow from the desert Southwest and Rockies to the upper Midwest. The storm's main impacts will occur from Wednesday night through Thursday night. Blizzard warnings have been posted in parts of Wyoming and Nebraska. In the plains, accumulating snow is expected from Wyoming and Colorado to northern Michigan. And Cheyenne, much of southeast Wyoming, now facing Thursday blizzard warnings. We're going to get to the models and the warnings. More than 12 inches of snow could fall in Arizona. Snow for the Four Corners, severe storms, heavy rain expected in the southern plains, heavy rain for the Ohio Valley. A storm system that impacted California, dumping 5 feet of snow to the Sierras and the Great Basin the last few days, will move into the Four Corners region. Winter Storm Pearl will develop. Widespread heavy snowfall for the favored terrain. Meanwhile, severe thunderstorms with large hail and damaging winds and a few tornadoes with heavy rain and flooding is likely across the southern plains. Finally, a batch of heavy rain will roll into the Ohio Valley. Blizzard warnings and watches have increased into over 30 counties. If you're in northwestern Nebraska, oh, hello. Should get pretty bad, pretty quick, pretty soon. Let's check the models. We'll just go out a few days here. Snow's going to begin. There is that Arizona snow dumping rapidly. Some snow lingering in the northern Sierras. And then that system's going to move here Thursday afternoon into Friday night through Nebraska and up in the upper Midwest. Biggest storm totals here, just 8 to 10, maybe 12 inches. Probably 8 to 10, a stripe across Nebraska. Heaviest snow, obviously, here in the Rocky Mountains in our region. So we'll keep you posted, and we'll show you some pictures after the event. 5.7 magnitude earthquake hits Utah. Power outages reported in Salt Lake City. This is a big boomer. A 5.7 magnitude earthquake hit Utah Wednesday morning, the USGS said. 32,000 people lost electricity in Salt Lake, said utility Rocky Mountain Power, and there were no immediate reports of injuries. Few people probably a little worried. And there's that big boomer with multiple aftershocks. That event is over, followed by an event up in Canada. Very similar magnitude and stature. What do we have here? 5.0 in New Zealand. I wonder if White's Island is waking up. So, interesting developments today with a major rumbler in Utah. We'll keep an eye on the coast here. Worldwide volcano news update. Sangay to 21,000. We also have Popo, Krakatoa, Ibu, Dukono, Reventador, Sangay, Aso, and Sabancaya puffing. Sabancaya, the aforementioned, puffing to 28,000 feet. Reventador to 18, and so on and so forth. A little bit of volcanic ash being reported at Krakatau, and Popo puffing to 20 grand. Pretty normal day here on the volcano front, but this blizzard is anything but normal. One of Darwin's evolution theories finally proved by Cambridge researcher. Now, this is a article, and the title is disingenuous because how many theories did Darwin have? And actually, what this woman did is, not, in my opinion, not that spectacular. Laura Van Holstein, PhD student, biological anthropology at St. John's College. In chapter 3 here of The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin, he said, and I quote, animal lineages with more species should also contain more varieties. And so she went out and looked at that. Now, this is not the theory of evolution. This is just conjecture on the part of Darwin. He said animal lineages with more species should also contain more varieties. And what she did was corroborate that. She did not prove his theory. She corroborated a phrase that he once spoke. And those are the true facts. Boom! Right in your face. Now, a good friend of mine on the East Coast, Lynn Landis, who runs the Wild Foodies of Philly, has just uploaded Wild Foodies 101 PowerPoint. 220 plants and 144 slides on wild edibles that grow all over the world in temperate regions. It's free. You just download it and it's yours. Please send Lynn a thank you note because this is very important information and an awesome download to help you survive and thrive in the coming times. Guys, I hope you got something out of the video. We have a blizzard moving through the Midwest. It's going to be snowing here for 2 days. We're under winter storm warning until the end of Thursday. That's boom. Be safe. We love you. Wash your hands.